G'day, I'm Sharon. I spent the best part of 20 years selling Janome sewing machines and teaching people how to use them. Your Janome Juno is one that I know reasonably well. In fact, it's almost exactly the same as the Janome DC 3050 that I use for most of the demonstrations I do on the Janome DC line. The only real differences: you have a start-stop button, which my 3050 doesn't, but I've got the information in there. Also, your machine only does stitches out to 5mm wide. Take that into account if you're going to buy extra feet for your machine. And finally, the buttonhole on the Juno is done differently, and I've not yet got myself to the point where I've got one borrowed so I can do your buttonhole. But most of the things you want to do, they're up there. Go over to the playlist and I'll see you there.